Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Petrimo, and today we're going to take a look at Google Slides, the toolbar. So we're going to go over all the tools available. It's different from the menu bar. The bar that starts with the word file, that is the menu bar. All of these items are on the menu bar. The bar right below it is your toolbar. It starts with the new slide selector, so you can open that up and you can select which type of slide layout you'd like. If you hit the plus, then it just gives you a blank slide to go with the plain title and body text box. You can undo and redo items here, actions, whether you delete things or add things. This is the print button and then the paint format. Now, in order for that to light up, you have to have an item clicked or selected, and then you'll be able to get into the paint options. The zoom in and out feature is right here. You've got some options to fit or 50%. The selector tool is next. That turns your mouse into a selector. The text box tool is here. You can basically draw your own size text box, but Google Slides always resizes them to one line. So I really wish that Google Slides would redo that to make custom slide text box sizes. That would be really nice. Next to that is the insert image button. So you have some options under that to insert images. You can upload from your computer. You can search right through Google Slides on the web. That will open up a search bar on the right. You can select items from your Google Drive, from your photo folder, or URL if you have that to copy and paste. And this will activate your camera and let you take pictures from your camera. So that basically turns my video camera into a regular camera. So I can click the capture button and insert a picture that way. You have some fun shapes here that work like text boxes, some of them, not all of them. But you've also got badge numbers, and you've got the sun and the moon and different fun shapes that you can do. You've also got a selection of arrows, call outs, and this is where the banners are too. So there's some numbered banners, some blank banners, some scrolls right here. And then you have your equations here that you can insert. These are only the basic equations. If you want the complicated ones, you'll have to copy and paste them in from somewhere. The lines are right here, so you can select lines to connect to objects. I'll show you what that does. And then you can connect those to wherever you want. And it just draws a little, you can make your own graphic organizer with those lines. So there's a lot of selections here, an elbow, a curve, or the polyline. Those are fun. And then the scribble is freehand. You can add your comments right here with the comment button. You can change your background, a solid color, or you can do images where you can choose images, or if you've added too much and you want to reset it, just right here. And then if you want this to be the theme of your whole slideshow, you can add your background to the theme. And then it will change all the slides in your slideshow. The layout is here, so you can change your text box format. The themes are right here. Themes are great because you can pick from their selection, or you can import your own theme and kind of make your own theme. So those are a lot of fun to do. And then the last button are the transitions. So there's two types of transitions, the ones that are attached to slides and the ones that are attached to objects. And you can insert those and apply them to all slides, or each item can have an animation. And that's that. The last button I want to show you is this little arrow way over on the right. And what this does is hide your menu bar. So it just gives you a little bit more working space. If you find that you're too cramped and you need more space to work with, you can just hide your menu bar and re-hide it. All right, there's the toolbar in a nutshell. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back for more lessons, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.